In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Microsoft Teams. This integration process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly connect these powerful tools. Whether you're managing tasks, coordinating projects, or collaborating with your team, this integration will help you streamline your workflows. First things first, let's head over to Clickup. If you're not already on the homepage, ensure you're logged into your Clickup account. Now, once you're in, look to the left-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu where we can access various settings and features. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Give that a click. The settings are where all the magic happens and where we can find all the customization options for your Clickup experience. Within the settings menu, there's an option called App Center. This is a hub where Clickup connects with other apps and services. Click on App Center to proceed. Once you're in the App Center, you'll need to locate Microsoft Teams. You might see several apps here, but we're focusing on integrating with Microsoft Teams today, so scroll through until you find it. When you've spotted Microsoft Teams, click on it. This selection will bring up more details about the integration, including what features you can sync across the two platforms. Now that you've chosen Microsoft Teams, you'll see an inviting button that says Connect. Click on Connect to initiate the integration process. Clicking this button will start the authentication process, ensuring that both Clickup and Microsoft Teams communicate seamlessly. For the next part, you may be required to log into your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Follow the prompts to authorize Clickup to access your Teams account. This step is essential because it ensures that both applications can share information securely. After completing the authorization, the connection will be established and you'll have successfully integrated Clickup with Microsoft Teams. You'll now be able to use Clickup tasks and notifications directly in your Teams channels and keep your team informed and engaged without having to switch between applications. And that's it. You've just integrated Clickup with Microsoft Teams. You can now enjoy a more efficient workflow and ensure your team is always synchronized. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to check Clickup's support resources or reach out to their customer service for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more how-to guides and tips to enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy planning and collaborating.